Hello, today is a magical colors. Let's draw dog or kangaroo. Let's draw kangaroo today. To draw kangaroo, we will be needing one pencil, one paper, and one marker. So let's start. To draw kangaroo, we need to make half a U and backwards U. This is kind of shallow U and this is broad. Okay, and then we will make oval and few more oval. 1, 2, and then here also. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step. So let's make a deep U first, and then we will make like a V. Okay, for the face. We need 2 big ears for our kangaroo. Goes left and right. We need 2 circles for the eyes. And as we always make our nose, and kangaroo has a big smile. Yeah, and connect with the line. Now we need and like a teardrop or like an egg shape. So let's make kind of egg. So all the way make a round, come back and connect in a shape of oval. Okay, and let's make 2 hands goes inside. 1 and 1 more. Do you know kangaroo has a pocket? And who lives in the pocket? Yeah, baby kangaroo. So let's make a baby kangaroo is also like a mama kangaroo. So make a U shape backwards, and we're going to make a just like a V shape but little roundish. Again, kangaroo baby has also big ears. Okay, eyes and nose. Baby also has a big smiley face. Okay, like this. And just we need to connect the baby to the pouch, a pocket. Okay, now we're going to make just like the pocket. We're going to start backwards legs by making just like we have cut 2 hearts into 2 pieces. Okay, we're going to make like a go upwards, curve, come down and connect. Okay, behind legs on both the side. Okay, and now we're going to make a U shape but longer U shape. Okay, let's go down, curve, come back in. You see, you can say it is like a C or it is like a big oval shape. We're going to do it on this side also to show these are the foot of the kangaroo. Let's make 1, 2, 3 lines and 1, 2 and 3 lines to show that it's a fingers. Our kangaroo is all done. Let's do an outline with our black marker. We're going to follow the lines, make a U shape again. Okay, connect with the V shape, curve round V shape. Okay, now we need to make a big egg shape. You see how easy it is? Try to follow the lines if you can. You already made it, so just follow the lines. Make a circle. We need pupil, circle, pupil, 2 lines for the eyebrows. We can make even V shape and connect. We need 1 line and a happy face. You all know how to make happy face, right? These are the kangaroo hands. Kangaroos are 4 types, you know that? Grey kangaroo, red kangaroo, grey western kangaroo. Okay, there's 4 kinds of kangaroos. And this is the leg backwards. They live in Australia. They jump and run so fast. You know, they can grow up more than 6 feet in tall. Yeah, and you know what baby kangaroo is called? Baby kangaroo is called Joy. Shall I write baby kangaroo's name here? Joey. Joy. You know, it's called Joyce. Yeah. And let's write kangaroo here. Kangaroo. Roo. Kangaroo. Yeah, you all can write and practice drawing. Keep drawing, and you can color if you like, or you can leave black and white. It's your choice. Try to do your best. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.